Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Hey, we're going to check this booster for this 72 E-body. Been a long time since we've seen a chrome-plated Midland Ross or a chrome, well, an original chrome-plated. I had to check myself on a Mopar in a long time. Seen a bunch of cheap aftermarket old bullshit chrome-plated. This one's going up to Montana, so it's your normal Midland Ross that somebody chromed a long time ago. And of course it's already been checked, but we're going to check it, make sure, because we're getting ready to put it in the box and send it out. So these Midland Rosses, they came out in basically 71 through 74. They got the contract on the B&E bodies. Start up our engine. This one came to us missing the front push rod assembly. We put a new push rod assembly in there. So, as we can see, it's real smooth, and we're able to do this with the palm of our hand with the vacuum assist. Now, shut off our engine, and we'll see if we've got enough vacuum reserve to come to a complete stop. Basically what we're doing is checking to make sure that the can's not leaking. And it's done. Now, as you can see, palm of my hand, if I wanted to depress this and repeat that action, it's nearly, well, it's impossible for me to do. And that's what a booster does for you, my friends. It actually multiplies the force by nearly 40 times or so. When you think about it, you're putting in about 5 pounds of force on your brake pedal times about 50. That's still only 250 pounds. And you got about 500 coming out of the master cylinder. So that and the pedal ratio, you do it. So, yeah, 25 to 40 times the pedal. That's what it does. So, anyway, this one's going off to Montana. Enjoy. God bless. God bless America. Bye.